Hello, it's Peter Kopsis with Gibbs Landscape Company. Going to show you guys a little bit of work we're doing today. This is a new weekly maintenance client we recently picked up. And as you can see, this area in between the two driveways is brown right now. This was fescue turf. The previous contractor that was here really did not do the appropriate turf fertilization and weed control programs on this turf, and it became full of weeds. The only option we had was to resod, and what we did in this process was come in and spray out this turf 2 times with a herbicide, which would kill all the weeds and grass that was in it. As you can see now, our team is grading and scraping off the dead grass with this Harley rake. Once we complete that, we will do a final grade, and then we'll be coming back and sodding with some really beautiful fescue sod. Once we get that completed, I will show you guys the completed process. We have now completed the full sod installation. As you can see, our client now will have an exceptional stand of fescue turf grass for years to come, with Gibbs performing the proper maintenance and care services on it. Again, Peter Kopsis, Gibbs Landscape Company. Thank you so much.